So what you need for this is the cruise control stalk. Make sure you've got the one with the 7 or 8 pins, and that's got cruise control and speed limiter. And then what you can do is either cut the existing trim, or like the gentleman's done here, buy a new trim with a cutout already on there. So then you can install this straight on without having to cut any plastic. If not, that is what you're going to be cutting out of the existing one on the steering wheel.
If you go down
here is
yeah,
before and after.
Yeah. Down by Venus.
So again,
no,
if you're going to need to cut yours out to make this fit, there is the gap that's needed. So here we are, guys, on a 207 today, and we are doing a speed limiter and cruise control install. So the first thing that you're going to do in this process is you're going to come up underneath here and you're going to remove the 2 T20s out of these holes here. Once these are out, you can then remove the scut panel surrounding the steering wheel. So when it comes to removing this top trim, you can just stick a screwdriver right in that corner there, twist it round, and the top will pop up out of the way. So that is now off, and that should reveal on this side, I'm hoping, a gap for the replacement to go into, which is there. You'll see there's like a little insert here. So the insert's going to come out and we're going to stick the stalk in there. So this trim piece you can see here has just come out of there, and we're ready to install the new one, which just slots straight in the space. Although it's quite hard for me here to see where the actual, there we go. So now that's in, we're going to leave all the plastic off and make sure we program the car to check it works before we put it all back together. So we've clicked on fault finding to do a global test of the car, and then we're going to go into our BSI and our injection/ignition, which is your engine ECU for the newer systems, and that is where we are going to set it all up. So we're going to hit the BSI first of all.
Have you seen it when they fly in the mountain air? So when they're on test.
So you click on repair. The bottom brings you to this menu, and you're going to go on to configuration, manual configuration, vehicle configuration, and then we go into driving assistance, and then we are going to change the presence and type of cruise control from missing to cruise control and speed limiter. In order to do configurations, you select the menu option, you press the tick again, it will bring up a menu, select your option, it will come back to here and you press the cog, and as you can see we've now got cruise control and speed limitation present on the car, and we're now going to change that in one more area on the car. The next one is the injection/ignition, which is your engine ECU for your newer setups, also for Peugeot Planet as well. And again, the same as last time, down to the bottom, onto repair, configuration, manual configuration. So, what we're going to do now is put the cruise control and speed limitation from absent to present, and then we should be ready to go. We've got a fan here as well. Hello. So yeah, that should be it, and we're going to switch the engine on, check all this out and make sure it works, and then we can put it all back together. So one happy customer. Cruise control is installed. He's now heading back quite far up to North Wales now. We're off for a day of exploring. So guys, that was my first install video, and there's many more to come on all the different Peugeot models. Give me a DM or a message if you want some work done on yours.